How to turn off likes in-app notification on TikTok. Today guys I will show you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end and make sure that you like and subscribe in this channel and see. Let's start. First you will just go to your TikTok, open your TikTok. After this, when your TikTok is open, you will just go here down on your profile, then open it, then go here on this three line, click on it, then go to settings and privacy, open it, and then go to notification, open it, and then go to in-app notification, and here likes you will turn off like this, and that's it will work with you. That's it guys, I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and see you next video.